First tonight at 5, a local sheriff's office is shedding new light on the issue of child sex trafficking after they arrested 5 people accused of the heinous crime right here in our community. Tonight we're learning more about how deputies were able to work undercover to make those arrests happen. 44 News reporter Leah Malero has that story new at 5.
Operation Phantom is the largest child sex trafficking operation the Daviess County Sheriff's Office has ever done, and it's the first. Yet they say more arrests are likely as they try and crack down on this growing issue.
Human trafficking and child sex trafficking is one of the fastest growing crimes in the world, really.
And Kentucky is not exempt, as the state's Attorney General's office states that the National Human Trafficking Hotline received over 344 reported calls from Kentucky in 2022, involving over 399 children, a 67% increase in reports and 71% increase in victims since 2020. With the rising concern means rising education and training, especially for local law enforcement, an issue the Daviess County Sheriff's Office says they were ready to crack down on.
Our detectives and our undercover operatives were communicating with suspects, establishing what it is that they were looking for, and then we were able to go from there.
Through help from the state's Attorney General's office and multiple different agencies, Sheriff's Office says they were able to carry out an operation that now has over 5 men facing years behind bars, with more arrests and charges possible.
Our goal is to get as many of these people as we can, and also to send out the message that in this community we're looking for these types of things.
As Sheriff Youngman explains, there's power in numbers when sending a message to predators, but also to the community, opening their eyes to the crimes right under their noses and educating them on the signs to look out for.
But we do know what's out there. We do know it's one of those things that you have to be very proactive about, because from a law enforcement point of view, if we're not looking for these things and we're not targeting these suspects, then nobody is.
Daviess County Sheriff's Office says one of the best ways to help put a stop to sex trafficking is through the community. So they are urging the public that if you do see suspicious behavior, that you report it immediately. Reporting in Daviess County, Leah Malero, 44 News.